Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agritopus Academy. So today's topic is animal production or animal husbandry. So let's start our lecture with some important points. The first point is the total livestock population in India is 529.7 million according to the census of 2009 to 2010. The share of world livestock population in India is 15%. Cattle population in India is greater than 205 million. Buffalo population is around 84 million. The cattle disease that is communicated to the man is anthrax. Cow's milk is light yellow color due to the presence of carotene. The milk is white in color due to the presence of casein. The carbohydrate or sugar constituent of the milk is lactose. This lactose is known as milk sugar. Milk is deficient in the element of iron and it is a good source of calcium. Milk production is maximum in Uttar Pradesh. The state which is second in milk production is Rajasthan. Remember that first is Uttar Pradesh and second is Rajasthan. The fat globules in the milk are in the form of emulsion. Emulsion is a type of mixture. For example, when oil is mixed with the water, they do not normally mix together. So the example of emulsion is milk. The protein present in the milk is in the form of colloidal. Lactose and minerals are present in milk in the form of a solution. This colloidal is different from the solution because in colloidal the dispersed particles are much larger than as compared to solution. Next point is milk is the poor source of iron and vitamin C. India ranks first in the production of carpet wool. Next point is the best crop for silage making is maize. A silage is a type of a fodder which is prepared from fermenting the green foliage crops. So the maize is best suitable for the silage making. Next point is the temperature of artificial vagina is 42 degrees centigrade. The first clone of adult animal is Dolly. Dolly was the first cloned mammal developed from the somatic cells. Now the next point is in India wool production is maximum in Rajasthan around 35%. This budding in calf of a newborn is done at the age of 10 days. This budding is a practice where the horned buds are removed in calf. It is practiced at the age of 10 days. Next point is the swelling due to the collection of gases in rumen of the animal is called as bloating. Humans के अंदर भी जब गैस बन जाती है स्टमक में उसे भी bloating बोलते हैं. The protein content in colostrum of cow is 17.8% and in buffalo colostrum it is around 21.4%. Generally, ruminant have 4 chambers of stomach. For example, in cattle, sheep, goat and deer, except the camel that has 3-chambered rumen. The 4 chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Next point is the milk is a rich source of calcium, phosphorus and excellent source of vitamin A, but it is deficient in iron. Next point is India's position first in the world milk production, total buffalo production, wool production and total cattle production. The world's first in vitro fertilized buffalo calf is Pratham. The most commonly used cryoprotectant for freezing of semen is glycerol. Collagen is the main proteins of skin and connective tissue. The light receptor pigment in animal is melanin. The cannibalism is seen in poultry due to the sodium chloride deficiency. Cannibalism means they feed on their own species. Next point is the cracked feet in poultry is due to the deficiency of biotin. This biotin is a vitamin B complex or vitamin H. Next point is the Degnala and alkaline disease are caused due to toxicity of selenium. The crazy chick disease is due to the deficiency of vitamin E. The breed of poultry is excellent for broiler purpose is Plymouth Rock. These broiler are raised for meat production. A pregnant cow doesn't come in heat due to the presence of corpus luteum. Next point is the animal protein factor is known as cobalamin. The fat content in double toned milk is 1.5%. Hay can be stored if moisture percent is below 16%. The legal standard for solid not fat in cow milk is 8.5%. Letdown of milk in cow is due to the secretion of oxytocin hormone. In human it is also same. The milk lipid is lecithin. The scientific castration is done by using an instrument known as Eudiza castrator. In castration, the testes of male are removed. Next point is the only essential fatty acid of poultry is linoleic acid. Glucose plus glucose is lactose. It is a disaccharide sugar. Glucose plus fructose makes sucrose sugar. Glucose plus galactose forms lactose sugar. This lactose sugar is known as milk sugar. The sulfur containing vitamin are thiamine and biotin. Vitamin B1 is known as thiamine. The sulfur containing amino acid are cysteine and methionine. Next point is the best way to prevent the fatal septicemia in young calves is to make sure that they get colostrum. This septicemia is a type of bacterial infection occurs when the bacteria enter into the blood streams. Next point is the biggest compartment of ruminant stomach is rumen. The boiling point of milk is 100.17 degrees centigrade. The main storage polysaccharide in animal cell is glycogen. Casein constitute about 80% of the total protein present in the milk. The most variable constituent of milk is a fat. The process of dehorning is accomplished by applying caustic potash. The poultry specially raised for meat production is known as broiler, and the poultry raised for the egg production it is known as layers. Protein which can't be digested is the elastin protein. Next point is the calcium carbonate is used for the treatment of oxalate poisoning. The freshly drawn milk has a pH value of 6.5 to 6.7. It is slightly acidic in nature. Next point, the disease in which animals abort or gives birth to a dead or weak calf, it is known as brucellosis. The deficiency of manganese in poultry causes parosis. This parosis is an anatomic deformation of leg bones. Next point is the parakeratosis is caused by the deficiency of zinc. The common signs of this disease is thickening, cracking of skin. Next point is the oxidation of fat is called as beta oxidation. Protein which is soluble in water and heat coagulate is albumin. This albumin protein is present in egg. Next topic is pasteurization. It is done to kill the all pathogenic and most of the non-pathogenic bacteria, for example the Clostridium botulinum. This pasteurization occur at 3 different temperatures. First is low temperature long time method. In this method, the milk is exposed at 61.63 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Next is high temperature short time method. In this method, milk is exposed at 71 to 76.6 degrees centigrade for 15 seconds. And the third one is ultra high temperature method. In this method, the milk is exposed at 148 degrees centigrade for 1 to 5 seconds or 149 degrees centigrade for 0.5 second. This method is followed by cooling at 10 degrees centigrade or below. Next, here a table is given with common terms in livestock production. The group of cattle is known as herd. The group of buffalo, it is also a herd. The group of sheep is a flock. The group of goat is flock or a trip. The group of pig is drove or herd. The group of poultry is flock. The adult male of cattle is bull. For buffalo it is bull. For sheep it is ram. For goat it is buck. For pig boar, and for poultry it is cock. Next is the adult female. For cattle it is cow. For buffalo it is also cow. For sheep it is ewe or dam. For goat it is doe. For pig it is sow, and for poultry it is hen. Next is the young male of cattle is bull or calf. For buffalo it is also calf. For sheep it is lamb. For goat it is kid. For pig it is balding or barrow. For poultry it is cockerel. The young female of cattle is calf or heifer. For buffalo it is also heifer. For sheep it is lamb. For kid it is a female kid. For pig it is piglet, and for poultry it is pullet. The newborn of cattle is calf. For buffalo it is also calf. For sheep it is lamb. For goat it is kid. For pig it is piglet, and for poultry it is chick. The meat of cattle is beef. Meat of buffalo is buffin. Meat of sheep is mutton. Meat of goat is chivon. Meat of pig is pork, and meat of poultry is chicken. The castrated male of cattle is bullock or steer. For sheep it is wether. For goat it is wether. For pig it is hog or stage, and for poultry it is capon. The mating of cattle is serving. For buffalo it is also serving. The mating of sheep is tupping. The mating of goat is serving. The mating of pig is coupling, and the mating of poultry is also serving. Pasteurization is a practice of giving birth. For cattle it is known as calving. For sheep it is lambing. For goat it is kidding. For pig it is farrowing. For poultry it is hatching. The sound production of cattle is bellowing. For buffalo it is also bellowing. For lamb it is bleating, and the sound of goat is bleat. Next table is about body temperature, respiration and pulse rate of domesticated animals. The body temperature of cow in centigrade is 38.5, in Fahrenheit it is 101.5. The respiration rate per minute of cattle is 12 to 16 per minute, and the pulse rate is 45 to 55. For buffalo, the body temperature is 37.5 degrees centigrade, the respiration rate is 12 to 16, and the pulse rate is 45 to 55. For goat, the body temperature is 39.1 degrees centigrade, 12 to 20 respiration rate per minute, and 70 to 80 pulse rate per minute. For sheep, the body temperature is 39 degrees centigrade, the respiration rate is 12 to 20 per minute, and the pulse rate is 70 to 80 per minute. For camel, the body temperature is 37.5 degrees centigrade. For pig, the body temperature is 39.2 degrees centigrade, and for hen it is 41.7 degrees centigrade. The respiration rate of hen is 15 to 30 per minute, and the pulse rate is 300 per minute. Next table is about reproductive cycle of domesticated animal. In cattle, the onset of puberty in female is around 24 to 30 months. 24 to 30 months के बाद puberty stage start हो जाती है, जिसके बाद female serving करने के लिए mature हो जाती है, and the length of estrus cycle is 21 days. The length of heat period is 18 hours, and the gestation period is 282 days. Gestation period is a period from serving or fertilization to the final parturition. In buffalo, the onset of puberty is around 28 to 30 months. The length of estrus cycle is 21 days. The length of heat period is 24 hours, and the gestation period is 316 days. For goat, the onset of puberty is 8 to 10 months. The length of estrus cycle is 20 days. The length of heat period is 2 to 3 days, and the gestation period is 150 days. For sheep, the onset of puberty is 9 to 14 months. The length of estrus is 15 to 18 days. The length of heat period is 1 to 3 days, and the gestation period is 148 days. For pig, the onset of puberty is 8 to 10 days. The length of estrus cycle is 21 days. The length of heat period is 1 to 5 days, and the gestation period is 114 days. For camel, the onset of puberty is 36 to 48 months. The length of estrus cycle is 10 days and the length of heat period is 3 to 5 days, and lastly the gestation period is 391 days. Next table is about composition of milk percent by weight of different species. In cow, water content is 86.61%, fat is around 4.25%, protein is around 3.58% and the lactose is around 4.96%. बफेलो में वाटर कंटेंट होता है 82.76, बफेलो मिल्क में फैट कंटेंट होता है 7.38%, प्रोटीन कंटेंट होता है 3.8% एंड लैक्टोज होता है 4.9%. गॉट मिल्क में वाटर कंटेंट होता है 87%, फैट परसेंट होता है 3.5%, प्रोटीन इज अराउंड 3.1% एंड लैक्टोज 4.64%. शिप में वाटर कंटेंट होता है 79.50, शिप मिल्क में फैट होता है 5.3%, प्रोटीन 5.5 एंड लैक्टोज 4.6. कैमल मिल्क में फैट होता है 4.9%, प्रोटीन 3.7% एंड लैक्टोज 5.1%. In human milk, the fat percentage is 4.5%, protein 1.1% and lactose 6.8%. The next topic is about nutrient and their bacterial fermentation. The carbohydrate fermentation occurs with the help of bacteria Streptococcus lactis. For protein fermentation, Bacillus subtilis bacteria is used. For the fat fermentation, Pseudomonas fragilis is used. And the bacteria responsible for the conversion of milk into curd is Lactobacillus thermophilus. Now, the next topic is about classification of cattle breeds in India. So, first we will start with the dairy breed. First dairy breed is Sahiwal. It is a native of Montgomery. This Sahiwal is the highest and sweetest milk producing cow breed in India. Due to the loose skin, it is known as Lola or Multani. This Montgomery is a district of Punjab. This Sahiwal is the heaviest milker and having well developed udders. Next breed is Gir. It is originated from Kathiawar, Gujarat. It is found in areas of Rajasthan like Ajmer, Bhilwara district. The breed from Alwar, Rajasthan found ears are long and pedulated and forehead is long and bony. This Gir is having rounded and domed forehead. इसकी forehead की जो bone है वो बाहर निकली हुई होती है और ears pendulated होते हैं. Pendulated का मतलब है pendulum के जैसे. Now the next breed is Sindhi. It is originated from Karachi. It is red brown in color and intelligent facial expression. Now next type of breeds are drought breed. These droughts are involved in hard labor in agricultural field. So the first breed is Malvi. It is originated from Malwa, MP. In Rajasthan, this breed is found in Jhalawar district and in MP it is found in Mandsaur and Bhopal district. Second is Nagori. It is originated from Nagaur and Jodhpur district of Rajasthan. It is superior among the old droughts breed and their color is vary from white to grey. It is having long, deep and powerful frames. Next type of breed is Amrit Mahal. It is native of Mysore, Karnataka. This Amrit Mahal is having narrow face and long horns and it is grey colored. It is famous for its power and endurance. Now next type of breeds are dual purpose breeds. These breeds are used for both the milch purpose and drought purpose. First is Haryana. It is originated from Hisar and Rohtak, Haryana. It is the best dual purpose breed and their horns are short and stumpy. It is generally white or light grey in color. Next breed is Kankrij. It is native of Kutch area of Gujarat. It is having highest body weight in Indian cows and a powerful body and it is famous for सवाई चाल. सवाई चाल एक टाइप की वॉकिंग स्टाइल है और इसीलिए हम इसे प्लॉइंग करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट ब्रीड इज राथी. इट इज़ नेटिव ऑफ अलवर, राजस्थान and also found in Ganganagar district of Rajasthan. Next is Tharparkar. It is native of Sindh, Pakistan. It is also found in Jaisalmer and Jodhpur district of Rajasthan and also known as White Sindhi. Next is Ongole, native of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. It is pure white in color. Now the next breed is Mewati, native of Mathura Kosi and also found in Alwar and Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. Now the next topic is about exotic cattle breeds. First is Jersey. It is native of English Channel or British Channel Island. It is famous for highest fat percentage. Now second is Holstein Friesian HF. It is native of Holland and it is heaviest exotic breed and highest milk producing cow in the world. It produces 5,000 to 6,000 liters per year. Next is Friswell. It is a breed developed from the crossbreed of Holstein and Sahiwal. It is highest milk yielding breed. Produces 14 liters milk per day. Next is Brown Swiss, native of Switzerland. Now the next is hybrid developed from NDRI Karnal R, Karan Fries and Karan Swiss. This Karan Fries is a cross between Tharparkar cow and Holstein Friesian. And second is Karan Swiss. It is a crossbreed of Sahiwal cow and Brown Swiss. Next is Buffalo breeds. First breed is Murrah, native of Punjab, Delhi and Rohtak. Special characteristic of this breed is this Murrah is the best breed of buffalo in world for milk production. Its milk contain average fat percent 7%. It is jet black in color and their horns are short and tightly curled. Their skin is soft and smooth with scanty hairs. Next breed is Bhadawari, native of Agra, UP. Its milk contain highest fat percentage, that is around 13%. Their body coat is copper colored and wedge shaped body. Next is Zafarabadi, native of Kathiawar, Gujarat. Their body is heavy and loose, that is why it is known as a mini elephant. It is having very prominent forehead and heavy horns. Next breed is Neeli Ravi, native of Montgomery, Pakistan. Their white eyes is known as wall eyes. Now the next breed is Mehsana, native of Baroda, Gujarat. It is developed from Murrah and Surti. Next one is Surti, native of Baroda, Gujarat. It is having sickle shaped horn. Next breed is Godavari, native of Andhra Pradesh, and the last is Toda, native of Tamil Nadu. It is a large sized animal. Now the next topic is common diseases of cattle. First is mastitis. This mastitis is caused due to physical trauma or microorganism infection. Mastitis is the inflammatory response of the other tissues in mammary gland. Now second is FMD, foot and mouth disease. It is a viral disease caused by viruses. The common symptoms for this FMD disease is high temperature of body and followed by blisters in the mouth and on the feet. Third is Ridderpace disease. It is also a viral disease and it is known as cattle plague. The common symptoms of Ridderpace is fever, diarrhea, wounds in the mouths. Next is anthrax disease. It is a bacterial disease. Now last is cowpox. It is also a viral disease. Next topic is sheep breeds. The breeds which are found in Himalayan region are Gaddi, Rampur Busher and Bhakarwal. They are native of Jammu and Kashmir. They are famous for fine quality wool and the wool which is obtained from Bhakarwal breed is Loi. Now second is breeds from western region are Lohi. It is a native of Pakistan. It is the largest sheep breed. Second is Bikaneri, native of Rajasthan. Their wool is used for best carpet wool. And Pugal breed is originated from Bikaner district of Rajasthan. They are fairly well built animal and their ears are short and tubular. Next breed is Marwadi originated from Rajasthan Marwar region. They are found in Jodhpur, Jalore, Nagaur, Barmer district of Rajasthan. They are medium sized animal and having black face and the black color extending to the lower part of neck. Next is Jaisalmeri. The name is derived from the home tract of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. They are found in Punjab and Rajasthan regions. They are tall, well-built animal and their face is black or dark brown in color. This breed is known as desert breed because it is found in desert area of Jaisalmer. Now the next breed is Malpura, originated from Tok, Rajasthan, Jaipur and Savai Madhopur regions. It is best suitable for meat purpose. Their face is light brown in color. Next breed is Chokla, originated from Shekhawati regions like Churu, Sikar, Bikaner district of Rajasthan. This breed is famous for superior carpet wool. This breed is known as Chhappar or Merino of Rajasthan. Now the breeds from southern region are Deccani. This breed is found in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh regions. These breeds are good for mutton purpose and their wool is fit for weaving kambal. Now next is Nellore. The three varieties are distinguished primarily on the basis of their color. First is Pala. They are completely white or white with light brown spots on head, neck and back. Second type is Jodipi. They are white with black spots. And the third is Dora. It is completely brown in color. This Nellore is originated from Andhra Pradesh region and it is the tallest breed. Next is Mandya. It is also known as Banur or Bandur, originated from Mysore district of Karnataka. Their color is white but in some cases face is light brown in color. Now the last is Eastern region breeds are Shahabadi, originated from Shahabad, Patna and Gaya district of Bihar. It is a best wool producing breed in India. And the last is Hisar Dale, developed at Hisar. It is a cross breed between Bikaneri and Merino. Now the next topic is diseases of sheep. First disease is anthrax. It is caused by bacteria. It is a contagious type of disease. It means it is spread by means of direct or indirect contact. This anthrax disease is also known as splenic fever due to the fact that there is extensive enlargement of the spleen due to its infection. This disease is caused by bacteria known as Bacillus anthracis. Next is stiff lamb disease. It is caused due to vitamin E deficiency. Next is goat breeds in India are Pashmina is used in winter cloth is obtained from animals, that is goat. And second is Morocco. It is a fine leather which is prepared from goat skin. The famous breed of goat is first Jamunapuri, originated from the city of Barbera in India, found in Etawah, UP. It is a dual purpose breed. They are considered as the largest and tallest breeds of India. Their characteristic features are pendulated curved long ears, Roman nose or parrot mouth appearance and thin long hair on hind legs. These are the major characteristics. Now the next breed is Barbary, native of Africa. It is a dairy breed suitable for stall feeding. It is known as city goat. It usually gives birth to 2 kids, twins in one parturition. Now the next breed is Bital, originated from the Gurdaspur, Punjab. It is resembles as Jamunapuri. It is a good dairy type breed. In male, beard are present. Next breed is Black Bengal, originated from Western Bengal region. It is excellent for the meat purpose and their skin color is black. Next is Marwari, originated from the Marwar region of Rajasthan. It is a disease resistant type of breed, good for meat purpose and their color is jet black. Next is Sirohi, originated from Sirohi, Rajasthan. It is a dual purpose breed. Their ears are flattened, dropping and leaf like. And the last is Jakarna, originated from Beror, Alwar. It is a dairy breed. It looks like beetle. Now the exotic breeds of dairy goat are: first is Angora. It is a native of Turkey. Its hair used as wool, known as mohair. Their horns are grey, spirally twisted and inclined backward and outward. Second breed is Alpine, originated in Alps mountain of Europe. It was derived from French, Swiss and Rock Alpine breeds. They are horned and have no distinct color. Third is Anglo-Nubian, originated from England. The breed, along with Jamunapuri of India and Nubian buck of Egypt, produce Anglo-Nubian developed in England. It is known as Jersey cow of goat world. It is a dual-purpose exotic breed of goat. Next is Saanen. It is a native of Saanen Valley of Switzerland. It is noted for its consistency and high production of milk. The characteristic feature of Saanen is presence of beard in both the sexes. This breed is also known as Queen of Milk. Next breed is Toggenburg, originated from Toggenburg Valley in North Switzerland. Their body is chocolate colored. It is a milk breed and hornless breed. Their skin is soft. Topic is swine. Swine is the female pig. The salted smoked meat of pig is known as bacon. The exotic breeds of swine is: first is Landrace. It is white in color and native of Denmark. Second is Duroc. It is red in color and native of USA. Third is Yorkshire. It is white in color and native of UK. Next is Chester White. It is white color and native of USA. And the last is Hereford breed. It is a new breed of swine from USA. Next topic is about viral diseases of cattle. First is swine fever, FMD, blue tongue, leukosis, marks, pox, plague, Newcastle, rinderpest and bronchitis. These are the example of viral diseases of cattle. Next is fungal disease of cattle are bronchiomycosis, brooder pneumonia, ringworm and alpha toxicosis. The protozoan disease are coccidiosis, anaplasmosis, theileriosis and trypanosomiasis. And the example of bacterial diseases are anthrax, brucellosis, tuberculosis, HS, typhoid, black quarter, mastitis, pneumonia and cholera. Now the next topic is about poultry breed. First is Rhode Island Red. It is native of Rhode Island. It is first developed for utility purposes, later becoming a fancier's breed. It is a dual purpose breed, produces 100 eggs per year and their body is rectangular. Dual purpose breed means it is used for both the meat and egg purpose. Their varieties are rose comb and single comb. Second is White Leghorn, native of Italy. It is the highest egg production breed in the world. Next is Red Cornish, native of England. It is famous in America for meat production. Next is Plymouth Rock, native of America. It produces best quality meat. Next breed is Asil, native of Uttar Pradesh. It is famous for fighting sports. And the last is Kadaknath. Their meat is black in color. In poultry, a medium-sized egg contains 6 gram protein, 6.5 gram calcium carbonate and 14 gram vitamin. Next point is Andhra Pradesh has largest number of poultry and it is the largest producer of eggs in India. The color of egg yolk is due to the xanthophyll. Usually, the internal quality of eggs can be determined by candling. In a tropical climate, necessary to construct poultry house east to west in order to avoid the sun ray directly falling into the shed and heating up to the shed. The important diseases of poultry. First is bacterial diseases are fowl cholera and diarrhea. Viral diseases are Ranikhet and Marek's disease. Protozoal disease is coccidiosis. And the nutritional diseases are: first is nutritional drop caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Next is rickets caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. And third is curled toe paralysis caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B2. Next topic is about fish production. India is the second largest fish producer from inland sources after China. The maximum fish production is in West Bengal, maximum marine fish production is in Gujarat, and largest contributor in agricultural export is marine products. Lastly, some terminologies are given related to the animal husbandry. First is alveolus, a small structure in mammary gland in which the milk is manufactured by female. It is known as alveolus or alveoli. This alveolus is a small globule-like structure. Next is anorexia. The condition of lack of appetite is called as anorexia. Next is biological value. The percentage utilization protein within the animal body is called as biological value. Next is crude fiber. It is composed of cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. It is high in forage and other polysaccharides and low in grain. Next is culling. The separation of diseased animal from the healthy animals is called as culling. Next is casting. The throwing of animals on the ground is casting. Next is docking. The removal of tail in ship is docking. Next, flushing. Feeding extra concentrate to pregnant sheep is known as flushing. Next, dehorning. The suppression of emerging horn in goat at the age of 10 days, it is known as dehorning. Dehorning का मतलब है removal of horns. Next is mohair. The hair of Angora breed of goat is called as mohair. This soft white wool is great demand for clothing purpose. Next is pashmina. The undercoat of Kashmiri goat, that is soft wool, is great demand for clothing purpose. Next is pica. An appetite for materials not usually considered to be food, such as is observed in phosphorus deficient animal, a depraved appetite. Next is puberty. The period of life at which the reproductive organ first become functional. This characterized by estrus and ovulation in the female and semen production in the male. And the last term is Sura, the common disease in chemical which is caused by protozoa. So this is all about today's lecture. मिलते हैं next video में. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.